Mandy, behold, my sweetest invention.
Wow, Professor, it's so round.
Just a few more adjustments.
Magnificent. A true marvel of confectionary science.
It's enormous.
It's utterly perfect, Mandy.
Uh-oh, Professor.
A minor design oversight.
How do we get it out, Professor?
Perhaps a subtle application of persuasion.
It's a little. It's stubborn.
Stubborn. Heavier than it looks.
It's not moving at all, Professor.
My calculations suggest a propulsion system.
Wheels! Brilliant!
Success! It lives!
Professor, is it supposed to wobble?
My word! The structural integrity!
It's going for the door!
Stop! You marvelous runaway confection!
It's not responding! Oh, the door! It's free! Oh, dear! It's heading outside!
Oh, the humanity! Or rather, the Lollipop itty! It's outside! A public menace!
We have to catch it!
Wait! You're going the wrong way! A perfect parking spot. Right on time for my delivery. No. Look out!
The Lollipop!
What's all the fuss?
Buster! Behind you!
What in the... My car! My beautiful ride!
Oh no!
My car! What happened? What?
Well, you see, it was a rather sweet but unexpected turn of events.
Sweet? My car is now a pancake! Yes, well, it appears to be structurally compromised.
This was Y-O-O-R giant candy, wasn't it? Well, yes, but it escaped quite spontaneously.
Spontaneously? You owe me a new car.
Maybe we can rebuild it?
Rebuild it? It's a Lego pancake now. Perhaps a deflattening device? Just pick it up. It appears to be adhesively attached. It just needs a proper lift.
Wow, you're strong, Buster!
Now, about my compensation. A token of my deepest apologies? A token? This doesn't even buy a single tire.
We have some spare parts at the lab.
Spare parts? Can you unpancake a car? I have an idea.
What is it, Professor?
The Lollipop Mobile.
A lollipop car! Amazing!
And it drives? And won't flatten anything else? With improved stability systems, of course.
It'll be unique.
All right, Professor. But if it rolls away again, it's coming back to your lab. Splendid! To the workshop! And can it have extra sprinkles?
Excellent suggestion, Buster.